Uh, 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 deadline. Okay, it's fine. If you lock in, you can do anything. Get it twisted. Uh, the world is a playground for you to achieve your highest ambitions. Something, something. God. Oh, God. I guess I'll do my tweets and stuff. Okay. Okay. Thank you, Saribot. Glad I can always rely on you to be here for me. Sorry, I'm just setting up and doing a social post or something. Anyway, don't expect the stream to actually be entertaining. If you're a VOD watcher or something, thank you. But don't expect the stream to be entertaining. I have to actually focus now. Hello, Baphomet Copper. I am going to actually try to follow the not reading chat thing for the Pomodoro timer. So I'm literally going to minimize OBS. I'm just not even gonna freaking look at chat or the OBS chat window VTuber time. Yeah, don't worry about my experiments and stuff. Uh, but genuinely, I want data and I want to know how real male VTuber debuff is and how much is just me not making entertaining enough content or something like that. Or, like the being good at self promotion and marketing yourself part of VTubing or social media or whatever. I just want data. I just want to know. But I don't know. I guess my worry is like that if I'm trying to do this, then like it might push away my existing audience if I like stop doing the VTuber avatar or even like switch it off for some streams. But what I really want to know about is like the new viewers, how it affects like new viewer watch times and like just average watch times in general too. But again, there's just so much noise in the data because it's not like a real proper controlled experiment or anything. So it's probably gonna have to be a very long term thing if I want any actual results. And I'm not sure I care enough. I like being a VTuber, so I get the feeling that I should just focus on what I want to do with the content and less on like, is this theoretically slightly more optimal at the cost of, me expressing myself in the way I want to do, want to be, or whatever. Crap. There's one more point I had on my mind. I've already lost it. I'm gonna McFrickin' lose it. I've got a deadline in 1 day, 9 hours. Tomorrow night. I feel a little tired because I did stay up till like 1 because I was playing the Slay the Spire board game with friends. Instead of working on the thing, I got home and I wanted to work on the thing and ran into the tooltip UI bullshit and learned a bit more about tooltips and why not to use them for anything that you want to use interactability with. But, thankfully you can just, write the logic yourself. If you code, you can do anything. It's just going to take some effort. It's going to take some effort. I was also going to say about VTuber debuff about analyzing long-term trends. Crap, I had one more point I wanted to make about that. The more I think about it, the more I realize, like, I really got one guide by that one freaking 4chan post. Like, even though I said this is, like, it's not about that one post, it's about thoughts I've been having for a while about male VTubing. It's, I really got one guide by that post. I'm sorry. Hello, JPZ. Hello. I don't know when I'm going to start. I know I need to... thing. Implement. Thing. God. Brain slow. Chat. Distracting. Streaming. Distracting. This is bad for productivity, but I know it's good for my channel to be just, you know, streaming this work instead of not streaming this work. And good for, I don't know, the long-term success of everything I'm trying to do here in indie dev and in streaming and whatever. Why am I yapping? Why do I feel the need to yap here? I wanted to get stuff done, but also there was one more point I wanted to make that I had on at the top of my head, and it just went poof. About male VTuber. I literally typed in male VTuber in the tags on Twitch and found male VTuber debuff as one of the tags, so I put that because it's been on my goddamn mind for so long. Ma'am. God damn it. Part of me's wondering something about, I don't know. Am I really prepared for if I do find success with this? Because my mindset this entire time has been to expect nothing. Because I think that's probably the safest thing to do mentally, right? In terms of not being disappointed. But I have people actually willing to give art for this. I have people who've actually donated to me. I have people who donated to charity for me. And part of me worries that I'm not being cognizant enough of that I'm trying to like block it out in my mind so that I don't get any sort of expectations, because that opens up like the possibility of being disappointed. I guess all I can do is just be grateful for what I have while still trying to stay humble and not, you know, get any unrealistic expectations of this. I saw a post on Twitter about, what was it? Which one was it? I think it was just one VTuber talking about how they found out from another large VTuber that a group of larger VTubers were talking about them and wanting her to not succeed because they were worried that she was going to take their viewership. And that's not something I want to have to experience. But I'm also very, like, slow to reach out to people and, I don't know, form any sort of creator-to-creator relationships in this space. Despite being a part of FlaVR, despite all the, you know, implicit networking that's sort of done for me. And just being a part of FlaVR. What was it that was on the top of my head that I wanted to say about male VTubing? It's pissing me off. Whatever. I need to focus. I need to get to work. I don't have unlimited time. I hope this yapping has been somewhat entertaining. Hello, Brendy. Because that's all I'm thinking about right now. I am... No, it's not just entertainment. No, there's... what am I saying? We love yapping. I'm worried that if I get too anxious about this, it is going to negatively impact the experience for the viewers. For you guys. that my anxiety will leech. You will be able to feel the vibe of my anxiety, which, I mean, given the subjects I'm talking about, you probably can. And that'll impact the stream in a negative way. Because, I don't know, this whole time I've tried to keep that stuff off stream as much as possible. But ever since, I think since the first anniversary where I really was going through it mentally, and I just had to let out some steam and just had to let out some of those feelings. It's been, I don't know. I think just hello Xenogoku. I just think that attempting to strive for these things as anything, being a creator for anything more than just a hobby, is going to fuck you mentally. And I think that's one more reason why I keep it in my mind, like labeled in my mind as impossible. Impossible, and yet I still strive for it. So somewhere inside me, I don't think of it really as impossible, but I still call it impossible in my head just to, I don't know, as some sort of, is it cope? Is it something else? Hello, Felix Valenti. Is it so I don't get my hopes up? Right? The thing I was talking about earlier about expecting nothing just to save yourself from any potential disappointment. And is that really good or healthy, or is it just a reflection of me being insecure about this? About, you know, chasing after content creation. Pursuing content creation is more than just a hobby. God damn it. I guess a lot of these struggles I've heard, I know, was it, I remember reading about a lot of discussion on the whole is streaming harder than a 9 to 5 thing. And some people were saying that a lot of the problems that streamers have are just like self-employment problems. And so I imagine it's kind of similar to trying to make it as an indie dev, right? Which I guess if I combine the two, then I have no idea if that's gonna help or hurt my chances in either respect. Anyway, I've been rambling for time that I could have spent programming. Okay. I'm sorry if I'm concerning any of you with how much I talk about these topics, but double the non-existent money, exactly. Yeah. I said it at the last stream, right? That what was it? That the hard part is reaching the point where you are making money. Like, I've been streaming for over a year and didn't hit monetization. I hit 400 subs yesterday. I didn't want to make a big deal out of it again. I think because of that whole mindset of expecting nothing so you're not disappointed. But like, I've been looking at the bars. Hello, Exilial. I've been looking at the bars for hitting that first monetization milestone, which is 500 subscribers on YouTube and then 3,000 watch hours on YouTube. Both of those metrics are right in line with each other. So whatever analytics YouTube are looking at to set those numbers, it's very close to for my content, at least. As in, like, at this rate, the watch hours and subscriber count will be increasing proportionally so that they both reach the milestone at the same time. Which I guess is good. I guess I should be more grateful or aware that I am actually growing as a channel, even if it is slow, even if it is a Sisyphean task, even if I do feel like I'm Sisyphus and you're the goddamn rock, to quote Northern Lion. And the rock is my subscriber count. Anyway, let's take a look at my notes, my the implementation plans. The software something something. Software engineering and or indie game dev and or something. What am I doing? What am I doing? Okay, we added the ability level up buttons. They aren't functional yet. So what we really need is making them functional. All right, that seems like a clear enough task to me. Okay. I should, yeah, let me resize this window. Oh no. Let me, yeah, just do one of these. Okay. Okay. Lock in. Lock in. The stream is not about being entertaining. It's about me getting the work done because I have a goddamn deadline tomorrow night. Tomorrow night. And we're gonna make it. Possibly at the cost of my sleep schedule. Okay, let's go. Bye, chat. I'm actually not gonna read chat this time. I'm even gonna like cover up the OBS window with something. I don't know what I'm gonna cover it with. There. All right. No chat. Yeah, I'll just cover up the chat. I moved my window so I can't see chat at all. No chat. Bye, chat. Okay. All the level up buttons. What do we? I haven't even shown you guys what I have yet. Here. Let me shrink that. There we go. So I posted a tweet showing off the things. Oh no, I can see I can see chat still. Posted a tweet showing off the thing. It's just this little tooltip menu. I built that UI last night. Just did the logic, so only one should be active at a time. You can look at it from the shop. And then when you level up, you get a skill point, and then when you have a skill point, this button gets enabled, and this button does nothing yet. So right now, we're gonna make that button do something. Okay. Also, I don't really feel like background music right now. I think I'll just leave it off for now. You can put your own music in the background if you really want. This will be something else. Oh yeah, placeholder ability name is this. I'm strongly considering having that as an actual ability name somewhere. Anyway, what am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? We have a button. We have the level up button. When you press the button, it triggers the level up signal. This code is on GitHub, by the way. Not linked in the video description. I don't know why I still haven't linked my GitHub in the description for my game dev streams, but whatever. Okay. There's the character. I think I still call it a character tooltip, even though this isn't really a tooltip. Because apparently a tooltip, you're not supposed to put anything interactable in a tooltip. It's just a tooltip. It just behaves like a tooltip. Character tooltip. To do connect level up button signals. Okay. So load chardef. We create the ability infos. And then you know what? Should I use a signal here or actually no? I have a reference to the character. I should write a function in character that's like level up ability and then ability index. And that's it, right? That's actually like super simple to do here, right? Func level up ability. I int ability index. Guess we can name that a bit better. Ability levels of ability index plus equals 1. Okay. Okay. Character tooltip. I guess we could use a closure here, right? But probably better. It would probably be better to store the index on the ability info. Why would I do that? Well, whatever. I can store it anywhere. It doesn't. It's not that important. I think where I store it. Okay, whatever. I'll just store it there. I just need to store it anywhere. It doesn't really matter which thing I store it on. Whatever. We have it on the ability info. In the character tooltip. Here, ability info dot ability index equals I. And then func, or not that, ability info dot level up button pressed dot connect to a function, anonymous function. This anonymous function does what? It calls character dot level up ability of the ability index, which is gonna just, we'll get it from the ability info. Okay. Is that it? Okay, let's check in the character definition. We defined the levels. We've defined this ability. It has ability levels. So actually, this should work. Here, give front character XP. Press plus. Hello. Or it didn't subtract the skill points. Doh. And now it's index 20. Okay, yeah. So it didn't subtract the skill points. It didn't update the ability info, which needs to be So we need another signal from character, I think. Signals talking to signals. This seems like it might get a little messy. I'm a little concerned about that. But okay. Signal ability levels changed. Okay. And I guess, I mean, we could, yeah, okay, yeah, let's pass in the levels is an array event. We'll pass in the whole thing. Signal on that thing. Fuck. Update skill points. XP level up abilities, and then ability levels change dot emit, and then also spend the skill points. So skill points minus equals 1. Ability levels ability index plus equals 1. Ability levels changed emit with, we pass in ability levels to the signal. In the tooltip, which is really a submenu, character dot ability levels changed connect to, let's see, update ability levels. And then also update the level up buttons with the new skill points. Update ability levels. Levels is an array event. Do I need more caffeine? I drank a whole pot of tea. Maybe I just... No, I probably need more sleep. That's what I really need. Data ability levels. Okay, for... Guess we can do in range length ability infos. Ability info is ability infos info dot level. Yeah, level equals levels of and then update the level up buttons with character skill points. Although skill points changed? Yeah, skill points changed, should omit, so we don't actually need to do that there. Okay. Let's see. Okay. No skill points. Does nothing. Okay. Should probably also put the level, yeah. Skill point, oh, updated. Okay, it's upgraded, cool. Okay, cool. And then if we play, yeah, now it deals 2 damage, and it's faster. Nice. I should probably hide that tooltip when combat starts, but... which means in... Where's it? Character tooltips, invisible default. In main, in combat manager. In start combat. Draggable false char dot tooltip dot visible. Am I just changing the tooltip visibility directly? Hold on, character tooltip. Oh no, I have 2 references to the character tooltip. What am I doing, man? Oh man. Character tooltip visible, tooltip, character tooltip load, cardef. Okay. The reason I did this is because you need to use export var instead of on ready if you're trying to reference things before they're added to the scene tree, which is kind of annoying. So I'm just going to replace all tooltip with character tooltip, just to prevent duplication. Okay, character tooltip. Character tooltip open event. Character tooltip visible equals not. Tooltip was visible. Did that logic last night. 12 more minutes. Pomodoro. Okay. In Combat Manager, we want to set character tooltip visible to false. Yeah. We also got an error in the debugger. All right, cool. That was probably UI related. Hold up. Child node disappeared while duplicating. Yeah, this has something to do with the tooltip. But weirdly, it Still works. Weird. Oh god. I need a nap. Honestly. This is what I get for trying to do work. I'm just borrowing time from my future self. Trying to do work late at night. I mean, I was like awake probably because of caffeine. Or I could just have more caffeine. I don't think I have any soda left. Yeah, I do like a Coke Zero. Actually, my new favorite diet soda that I tried recently was a cherry Coke Zero. But I don't have any right now. I don't have any. I've been trying to stay off caffeine, and now I'm having the tea to get over my sickness, and I'm on caffeine, and now I'm on half caffeine, and I'm suffering a little. But deadlines like these seem like a good reason to use caffeine. Child node disappeared while duplicating. I've not found control character. Tooltip. Watching container view. Level up button. Oh. Maybe instead of duplicate, we should use instantiate. We should just instantiate our own scene. That way we don't do something weird with the tooltip. No. Yeah, we're an instance. We don't have the thing for instantiation. Can we make a reference to ourselves? That seems weird. Seems like a bad idea. I'm legit just thinking right now. Thinking. This is the part that I always thought would make coding streams boring, is that a lot of the time is thinking and less writing. I've been doing a lot of writing these past few streams, but I don't know. Tough problems like this. Like, how do I duplicate this without doing something with the tooltip, without duplicating the tooltip? The tooltip is part of the thing. This is all in the duplicate call. What even is this? I'm just gonna Google Godot child node disappeared while duplicating. Help duplicating a node with vaccine children. Stop using the duplicate use instantiation flag. All flags except for duplicate user instantiation. The use of that flag is saving resources by not actually duplicating the node, instead instantiating a new one. Thing is, the new one only has the children present in the packed scene and not the ones added during runtime, so it causes an error. Fuck, I should just test this. I don't have time. Not this, for the character duplicate. Well, now it just didn't. Base object type nil. So character tooltip is nil. Why do they use nil and null? Or no, that's probably like internally it's called nil instead of null because it's in C++ and this is like a variant, not whatever. Oh, Godot. Oh, Godot. I need a way to duplicate without even duplicating the tooltip. There's probably a hacky workaround where I take the tooltip out of the scene tree, then I duplicate, and then I put the tooltip back in the scene tree. That seems rough. That seems rough. And all this because I can't fucking duplicate the character just with the duplicate thing. Let me test again what happens if I just duplicate. Yeah, something went horribly wrong. Yeah, you get the same errors. I hate this. What do I want? I want to duplicate literally everything but the tooltip. Everything but the tooltip. Because we make the tooltip. When do we make the tooltip? No label update skill points. You don't do a signal on abilities change, do we? This tooltip actually, skill points changed, ability levels changed. When do we call load char def? Hold on. This thing that I wrote in character, in load from character definition. Okay. Yeah, ideally, if we can't use the duplicate function, ideally we can just instantiate the character scene itself, right? Something like pack scene equals preload character.tscn. New char is char scene instantiate. Do I ever store the character definition? I think ideally I should be using load from character definition here, right? Well, let's just see what this does. Oh, it worked. Except for updating the actual, the sprite position and the visual position. Wait, new char dot, visual position equals self visual position. New char dot sprite dot position global position equals self sprite global position. That did not work. Pomodoro's over. I want to fix this though. I guess I'll peek at chat. Why isn't this working? How does visual position update work? Okay, visual position is global position. In process, we update the visual position. Oh, right. We aren't setting the sprite's position. We have a node called visual that we set the global position of. Oh, okay. So that's an easy fix. Yeah, that's something I wrote. That's my code. You chart out visual dot global position equals self visual global position. And then visual position is this thing that follows. Can't speak. Don't need to speak. This isn't for you. This is for me. This stream is for me to get shit done. That didn't do the thing I wanted to do. God dang it. Why is that? Why is that? The visual is top level, right? Yes, it's top level. Okay. Then why did it I mean, I guess I'm tolerant of this kind of just slight visual jank, but like here, whatever. 10 new char. The visual is here. The visual's position is here. The sprite is a child of the visual. That's it, right? Seriously. What else is there? Why? Why, God, why? Oh, and also the freaking oh, sprite flipped. Where did sprite flipped? Flip. Do a flip. Set flipped. Okay, I need to set this as a var too. Okay, var flipped It's a bool. Set flipped to flipped. And then in set flipped, flipped equals flipped. Well, self.flipped. Yeah, that's fine, right? Okay, now the enemies should be flipped. Start combat. They are, but scale. Base scale? Oh, did we forget to set base scale? New char base scale equals self base scale. So many things we're forgetting. Okay, that's correct. The only thing is, yeah, why are they popping in from there? We don't have a script on Sprite 2D or anything, right? Okay, well, where is here an update visual position? How does this actually work? Offset is global position minus visual position. Plus equals offset. Oh, or self global position. I guess I gotta set that too. New char dot global position equals self global position. Let's try that. Okay, and then the pause offset. All this shit. Yeah, it's using the default read. It's not actually loading with like this. Here, let's see. New char dot sprite dot texture equals self sprite texture. New char dot pause offset equals. Oops. Self pause offset. New char sprite position equals self pause offset. That is like the sprite's pause offset. A little confusing with the naming or lack of precision in the naming. New char sprite h frames equals self sprite dot h frames. Yeah, just copy that. Did I set base scale? Yeah. New char sprite scale is self sprite scale. Okay. Something still off of the these the flipped ones are getting set weirdly, which means we need to set flipped after we set the pause offset. Oh no. It didn't fix it. It fixed it for the enemies, but not for the player. Sprite position x equals to negative pause offset x. Oh, wait. Hold on. just do that. And then sprite position x equals pause offset dot x. We found a bug in our existing logic. Wow. My god, the illusion is returned. You upgrade your ability, nice. And you attack faster, and you kill them before they even attack. Holy shit. This level 1 Rie is dominating. Oh my god. Oh my god, okay. Is that everything? It just works. No more errors. Oh, thank god. I was gonna lose my shit. Hold on. Whenever I type git restore -- stage, I'm always worried it's gonna get rid of my unstaged, uncommitted work. Okay. Abilities first, and then not the... Yeah. The levels changed. The info level up button, yep. Okay. Character make ability level up button function. Oh. And then character fix duplicating tooltip. Technically, this breaks the tooltip if duplicating, yeah, for the duplicated character, since we don't load from cardef. But we only use this for combat, so it's fine for now. Where there is no tooltip, so it's fine for now. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna look at chat now. I'm gonna look at chat now. Where's my break 4? Hi chat. How's it going? I am losing my mind. It turns out great. I'm too employed to participate as much as I would. Well, good for you, CH thank you. Thank you. I'm hoping it turns out good. I get the feeling that this will benefit a lot from some later work after the jam deadline. But yeah, I'm hoping it turns out good. Hello, Soren Zarl. Hello, Cyclocas. Hello, Chica Champon. Time to play another Kojima classic Death Stranding time. Took you a while to realize the Pomodoro timer? No, I was just locked in. I noticed it ended. I decided to keep working of my own volition. Oh. Because the context switching is always very painful for dev work, for software work. That's why it's really annoying if you have like a bunch of meetings at intermittent times or have to talk to people. Like, your best work in coding tends to be when you're like focused for a longer period of time with zero distractions. So I'm totally willing to extend a Pomodoro if it helps me stay focused on the thing that I'm working on currently, which in this case was dealing with a bunch of bullshit caused by Godot's duplicate function not behaving in ways that would help me out here. Damn, 5 minutes feels like too short a break. Maybe I need to make that like 10 minutes or something. Maybe I need to. Well, anyway, that's level up buttons. I wanted to make the level up preview stats, but that's technically not the most important thing for gameplay right now. So I might actually. Well, BRB. I'm back. But yeah, the added mental burden of context switching is really bad for any kind of tough software problems. Hello, Eduardo Rocha. Which is probably a reason why streaming software development and trying to talk to chat and whatever is probably like debuffs you in terms of actually getting work done. Which, you know, sometimes I'm fine with. But now I've got a deadline. I've got shit to do. So let's see. We got ability level preview stats. Again, technically not important for gameplay right now. I think what I want to do is get the sort of progression system. Do I? Let's see. Let's order it like this. Enemy layouts and progression. Ability level up preview stats. So make the ability level up. When you like mouse over the level, it shows like the upgraded version, the upgraded stats. And then yeah, status effects, more characters' abilities. Public HIO release. This thing is very vague. I was just watching a video from this YouTube channel. They're also an indie studio, Bite Me Games, where they were talking about how making content is a lot more of a challenge than you are going to expect. And I just have it as the last thing done once I get all the mechanics in place, once I got all the systems in place. Just add more characters and abilities, just add more content, add the content to the game, right? Which again is why I want to spend more time after the jam deadline to keep working on this, because I think it would benefit a lot from it. But yeah, I mean, I've got like a handful of videos. I'm gonna have to have like an AoE ability. I'm gonna have to have buffs, which again will use the status effects to include both buffs and debuffs. But yeah, that's it. And then, you know, balance the enemy layout. So I'm thinking layout the system for there to be an enemy layout progression. Actually, let's start thinking about how we're gonna actually do that here. So okay, enemy layouts and progression. Oh, I need a freaking nap. I might actually take a nap, to be honest, and then come back later. It might be beneficial. Anyway, enemy layouts. What's the plan? Wave system or wave/round system. Now, does it always increase on the way in Super Auto Pets, right? You have trophies. When you win a round, you get a trophy, and then when you reach 10 trophies, then you win. But every round, and that's separate from the number of rounds because you can win or lose a round or even draw a round in this case, in this game, or in Super Autofits too, right? Just make game. Just make game. I'm just making game. Nothing, no more. Nothing beyond that. I just make the game. Okay, so we need to store player. Where's our like player state thing? It's player state UI. I put in game state, but yeah, it's the player state, I guess technically, but whatever. There's the game state, round number, and then player game state wins. Those are two separate resources. I need an icon for both. I'll worry about the icons, visuals, and stuff later. I haven't even thought about sound effects, for God's sake. We'll see how many hours I have left at the end of this. But I've got this. I've got this. Okay, player game state, round number, player game state wins, and then where did I even store the enemy team? Like the starting enemy team. I just have one enemy team for testing at this point, but we need to load those from like some sort of resource. Let's see. It was in team manager. Initial enemy team. Okay. Let's call it enemy layouts. Okay, so you add a class, enemy layouts. Extends resource because we'll load it in team manager. So let's think. Do we want? Oh, there's a fly. I'm thinking we just do 10 like different. We do enemies for 10 rounds, and then like it just stays at the max difficulty for after the 10th round. If you like go beyond round 10 because you lost a few rounds or whatever. And then once you beat round 10, then you win. Or rather, once you get 10 wins, you win. Maybe. I don't know. So enemy layouts. Round layouts is an array of this is an array of arrays of enemy teams. Okay. So index 0 contains all possible enemy teams for round 1, etc. For round 1, pick a random enemy from round layouts index 0. And then I need to define enemy team. For round length of round layouts and above, use the last round. Don't mind the squiggle. I haven't changed my is it E there? Use the last round's enemy team pool. And then enemy team. How do I do this? Also, I'm probably going to need to enable the tooltips for the enemy team as well, if you want to like really see details and stuff. But I'll worry about that later and probably after jam. So what do we need? Character is a character definition. I don't know how much. Oh yeah, I'm probably not showing off the entire. You can't even see. You can't even see this whole plan. Level is an int, the character level, and then ability levels is an array of int. That's the ability levels. You should know. And actually, I need to rename this. Hold on. This isn't the enemy team. Enemy team is going to be an array of these things. Yeah. So enemy team is actually team is a characters is an array of. So this is not character definition. This character definition plus level plus ability levels. So I call this unit bundle, character something. Guys, help me with the hardest part of computer science, naming things. Chat, can you help me name this thing? This is a character definition, but also a level and also the ability levels. So the idea is it's like a sort of unit that you can instantiate and it'll be at a certain level and it'll have certain things. And then eventually it will add like items and stuff. Chart F temp 3, thanks. It's a wonderful name. Sorry, character layout, character. It's not a character definition because it's a character definition with a level. If anything, maybe I should just move this stuff into character definition so it's like initial level. Is that better though? Actually, is that better? If I move level in and then ability levels is like starting ability levels. Actually, no, I was actually thinking of doing this in the first place. Moving ability levels, like the initial ability levels into character definition. Because right now it's hard coded. If we go to character, right now, where is it? Oh my god, where is it? Where do we, yeah, ability levels. It's hard coded somewhere. Yeah, load from character definition. Yeah, it's hard coded here, actually. That it's like 100 whatever. I think that's better. Yeah, move this stuff into character definition. Okay, so update character definition. Add, yeah. Export var. Initial level is an int. 0 is default, and then ability levels. Initial ability levels is an array of int that should match the length of the ability definitions array. Okay, I like that. I like that. I'm liking that a lot better than doing this weird thing and specifically for enemy teams, but yeah, okay, do that. Given that, we update character. We update these. Assert length of char_def abilities is equal to the length of the char_def dot, what's it, initial ability levels. Yeah, we should enforce that. So now array starts at level 0. And initial ability levels are 1, 0, 0. Or rather, there's only one ability, so it's just 1. And then here, we replace this code. Becomes self ability levels equals char_def initial ability levels duplicate. It's an int array, so it's fine if it's shallow. Self dot level cur level equals char_def initial level, and then this shouldn't give us skill points. Okay, I like that. Hold on. Let's test. We're still level 0. I want to add the level to this ability info card. Oh yeah. Oh baby. Nice. One more thing I want to do is, where is it? Hello, 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 Islove. What am I doing? What am I doing? There's something. I noticed the ability info, yeah, the tooltip was still open after the combat, which I don't want to happen. I want to close all the tooltips. Yeah, character tooltip opened. And then also, yeah, global signals. We'll add a utility function here. Func close all tooltips. Just calls character tooltip open dot emit, which is a little jank way to do it, but I guess it's jank in the sense that we named this thing character tooltip open, so you'd expect it to only happen when a character tooltip opens, but it also happens to just close all the tooltips. Whatever. This is a game jam project. I say to myself for the millionth time as I make another poor engineering decision. Why is this? This is not aligned. Why is this not aligned? I don't even know what I'm. Yeah, we are in the weird quasi non-pomo working state. What am I doing? We want to close all the tooltips at either the start of combat or at the end of combat. So in combat manager, yeah, in combat manager, in start combat, global signals, close all tooltips. Was that it? Oh, and then I want to show the level in the ability info here. We have a separator. Just add another label for something like level label. Level 1. small text. And then add another separator, I guess. Actually, no, get rid of this separator. I love UI. And then update visual. I'll make this say level 0 by default. And update visual, let's see. Name level, and then, where is it? Yeah, export var level label is a label. Assign it to the level label, and then here, level label text equals cur level, sorry, it's lv dot %s, percent cur level, that's how we're formatting it. We're not going to worry about localization. That is way farther down the line. This is a game jam project. Hold on. I got distracted to do this. Was there anything else I was working on right now that I need? No, I don't think so. We moved character definition. We moved the initial level, and then, yeah, the initial ability levels and the initial level of the thing into there. So also that should mean if we test here, go to main, go to team manager, the initial enemy team, which we're going to change eventually. We now have an initial level. Oh, that depicts the HP. Or should we make it? I guess we make it not affect the HP if we're going to define these in the character definition. Like a level 1 Hime should have 3 HP. Then we just set initial level to 1 and then set the max HP to 3 in the character definition. I think that's fine, right? Probably easier for the designer to think of it that way. But might lead to some inconsistency. But I think that's fine. It just means that the initial level ends up kind of being a visual thing only. So let's say we have a Hime at level 1 with an initial ability level at 2. Level, god damn it. God dang it. I love resource blah blah blah. Cur level is, oh wait, where's cur level? Cur level is, oh, the ability definition, yeah, okay. Level. Okay. Byte level 2. You know what? Let's put these in an HBox container. I love UI. I love UI. Like this. Vertical align bottom layout. Hold on. Layout container sizing. Shrink end. There. Now it's in a better spot. Guess we can add a separator for a V separator. It looks a little awkward. I think ideally I'd have the level somewhere else. But the main thing is, like, for a shorter ability name, if this is the longest ability name, I guess that's fine. Container sizing, this should expand. Yes, horizontally, okay. This shrinks end. This also shrinks end. This separator I don't like. I'm just going to get rid of it. I'm just going to put some force separation here. Like 16 sounds good. Okay, here we go. Take a look at this. Byte level 2. Why is it level 2? Damage 2, range 1. Cooldown 0.9. Huh. Oh, because they're all referencing the same character definition. Whoops. We need to make unique if we want to do something like that. Okay, initial ability level 1, initial level 0 for the actual character definition. In main, we take one of these, we make them unique. In initial enemy team, we make this unique. Give it level 1, ability level 2, and then 3 HP. Or heck, 5 HP. Level 1 Hime with 5 HP. Whoop-de-doo. It's going to always murder these, I guess. Oh, they got a bit of out of sync, but in a good way. Okay, cool. Level up. Oh, uh-oh. Oh, there. I just clicked on the wrong one. Okay. But it's now level 2. Hello, 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 hello. Okay, cool. Did the thing. Yeah, cool. Okay, that's a couple commits. So let's commit this. Update the ability info. The name of the level label. Chart of change. Okay. Ability info, add level label. Comment, close all tooltips. And then update character definitions. Character definition, add level and ability levels. Level is mostly just, level is purely visual for now since since we don't have unique level bonuses. Okay, cool. Okay, time for me to let's see. Let me load in my mind what I'm gonna do next, and then I'm gonna use the bathroom because I love doing it that way. Enemy layouts. Okay, add a wave round system. So to game state, add round numbers. Add wins. Player state UI. Add round number. Add round number wins. Main add win screen on 10 wins. Enemy layouts. Extends is a new class that we're making that's going to extend resource. Around layouts is going to be an array of enemy team, and enemy team is going to be just array of character definition. I am making this a separate class because I think there may be cool stuff later. Cool stuff later we can do. Anyway. Like items and stuff. Oh, I'm Genio. Hi. Hello, Pom Pom. Happy weekend. Happy Saturday. Hope you're having a good weekend. I am a little stressed about this deadline. A little bit. Just a little. But it's starting to seem a bit more doable. In fact, I might not even have to crunch that bad. As long as I'm okay with not getting in items or anything, but yeah, I'll probably spend a bunch of time working on characters' abilities, status effects. But yeah, given the number of hours I have left, I think this is pretty doable. Starting to feel more hopeful. Okay, so wave round system, player game state round number, player game state wins, player state UI add round number wins, add a win screen on 10 wins, create a enemy layouts resource, update team manager to load enemy layouts and update the enemy team per round. I think that's it. Yeah, this is pretty clear in my mind. I feel good. This is the good side about programming, when you feel like you know what you're doing and you can actually get stuff done. Anyway, I'm gonna use the bathroom. No jingling keys or anything for chat. This is a work stream. This is a work stream. Go put on some background music of your own if you want, or listen to this as a podcast or something. I'm gonna be No Minecraft parkour. Nope. Fuck you. Sorry. Bye. Actually, I kind of feel like meditating, actually. I feel like I need to, like, if I'm gonna, I don't know, if instead of napping, right, what could I do that's maybe more focused use of my time that will mentally refresh me? Probably meditation, right? Probably something I need to do more in general. No Minecraft or fruit. Alright, I'm gonna breathe in. I'm gonna breathe out. And you can't hear this because of OBS noise suppression, which I want to keep on for, I don't know, unless you guys want to hear my keyboard noises, but eh. Man, I really, maybe I do need a nap. Maybe I do need a nap. Maybe I should plan out, is there a stopping point where I'd be satisfied with stopping for today? Status effects? Probably getting, I don't know, at least one of every character, or yeah, adding in the other characters. And then everything except for, like, I don't know, any special abilities I want to add. Let me think. How hard is it going to be for status effects? Maybe I'll plan this out first too. All right, I love planning. I love writing notes on writing up issues for me to do, writing up my own issues. Ugh. Okay. Stat effects. How's this gonna work? You're gonna need UI for this. You're gonna need UI. HBox of icons. Special tooltip. This time we can actually use a tooltip because this will purely be informational. Custom tooltip. Icon art. Strength. Poison. Although I'm calling it toxic for thematic purposes. Those are the first two statuses I'm thinking of adding. You know, like the ones from Slay the Spire. HBox of icons, custom tooltips. Explaining each icons with number of stacks. So again, inspired by Slay the Spire. And then in code, hello locked Magisk locked in like the alien meme. Locked in like the clip of Northern Lion playing the Sisyphus game. Lock in, get it twisted. Good. Okay. What does this look like in code? We have a status effect class. Do we use an enum? Use a name? Names feel a little shaky compared to an enum, but names feel better for modability in the future. But I have to write in every piece of code that like a thing affects. I have no idea how modding is gonna work. From my understanding, some like they make like modding tools. You like make modding tools that expose a bunch of like hooks or something into functions. But I've never really messed with it myself that much. So I'm thinking we could just do an enum for a status effect. Because that makes you feel a bit better than using strings that could be messed up in the code. So enum. Do I call it effect ID? status ID or something. And then stacks is an int. This can be positive or negative. And then, yeah, ID, status ID is a status ID. Let's see. In, was it Combat Manager? We actually like apply abilities? Yeah. Combat Manager in apply ability. 1 day left. Yep, you sure are right. Yep. Yep, tomorrow night's the deadline. Yep. Yippee. But I'm feeling a bit more confident about this now. Confident enough that I can take a nap? Maybe. Maybe, but I'm gonna have to work after the nap, probably. Will it be no sleeping today? I would rather reduce the scope than kill myself over getting something fully out for the deadline. I guess I'm gonna have to skip out on sound effects or on some parts of the visuals and stuff, which is a little concerning. I don't know. Good plan. Yeah. Yeah, I'm planning to keep working on this after the deadline, so I'm not as concerned about getting everything perfect for the jam deadline. But, you know, I would look something nice for the deadline. But yeah, I'm gonna do that. I will keep the web build as is for the judging period, and then I will probably release post-jam updates. That's the plan, at least. That's the plan. Status effect, combat manager, and apply ability. Check strength for fizz damage. Or actually, no, it's in receivability. Oh yeah, it's in character receive ability. Here it is. Check strength for fizz damage. Actually, yeah. Past statuses. Array status effect as argument. Check strength for fizz damage. The array status effect is going to be the opponent's stats effect. So in receivability, do that. Character, status is an array of status effect. This probably also needs a reference to the icon, right? Damn. I want to duplicate those icons like every single instance of a status effect, right? So we'll need like a helper thing that has like get icon for status ID. How do you do that actually? Where are we mapping? Like we have the actual status effect in code, which is separate from the status effect in visual. Where do we define the status effect icons, and then how do we like load those dynamically? Or I guess not necessarily. Whatever, everything's dynamic here, isn't it? And I'm thinking strength is going to be the easiest one to implement, so we'll do that first. And then we'll like apply. I guess we need applied statuses too, right? Applied statuses is an array of status effect as well. So caster statuses, applied statuses. These are both from in receivability then, right? Oh, what happened? Their caster statuses, applied statuses. Statuses is an array of status effect. In receivability, we check caster statuses, strength for fizz damage. No, wait. This should be a dictionary mapping status ID to stacks. That would just makes more sense, right? Say dictionary status ID to int. Stacks. That makes more sense. Same for this. Dictionary. Same for this. Applied statuses will be a dictionary. Burning out and having shittier products is worse than having an incomplete product. Is it? Is it? Maybe if you're like thinking of a commercial game release for this, I'm just trying to get something out. And is a shitty product worse than an incomplete project? I mean, I don't know. Either way, you're not living up to some whatever ideal. I'm trying to just not think about that. I'm just trying to get something out for the jam deadline and then, you know, keep working on it for after. Bit of visual polish, a bit of gameplay polish, a bit of, you know, balancing, a bit more content. So character needs that. Ability also. Ability definition. Let's see. Ability level also needs applied statuses. Should this be an array though? It'd probably be easier to put in the resource. I don't know. How does does Godot have type dictionaries for like export bars yet? For like in the editor? Grind is absolutely ceaseless. Yes. Yes. Export enum. Godot type dictionary. Type custom dictionary types. Resources. Is the class name a resource? Dictionaries are by definition typeless, so it'll likely stay that way. Well, okay. Well, it sounds like for fitting this into Godot, you would rather have like an array of status effect. I don't like this. Well, what I don't like is it's going to be inefficient, but also we only have like a handful of status effects. So like linearly searching through an array to find damn it, I don't like this. model was adorable. Thank you. And it was a really great deal. $17 for a customizable Chibi model. If you're willing to put in, like, I don't know, an hour or two of effort into recoloring a customizable model, very, very much worth the price. Highly recommended. I am losing my goddamn mind here. All my goddamn computer science teaching and leet code practice is telling me, ooh, this would be inefficient to search linearly through an array for a specific status effect. But Godot's editor is gonna work so much better with just an array of status effects. And also, this is a tiny 2D game. I don't need to worry about optimization at all. I should just use arrays and just linearly search for freaking statuses. Although, we could compromise. Hold on, applied statuses. This can be an array of status effect. That makes sense, actually. Statuses dictionary. So when we apply a status effect, whether that's like as a level up gives you a buff, if a level up gives you a buff, or if something else gives you a buff, then we can apply the status effect using this status effect class, which just stores the status ID and then the number of stacks. The actual statuses stored on the character will be in a dictionary that maps status ID to an int, which the int is the number of stacks. Now, caster statuses, so this will be stuff like buffs, debuffs, etc. Since it'll be a dictionary, we can access it, you know, O of one time to do the frickin' computer science thing. The frickin' big O notation thing. Which is good. And then applied statuses, we're going to have to loop through it either way, so might as well store it as an array of status effects, and that will be fine for on the ability level. We store an array of status effects. Okay. Really cute. Thank you. Very cool. Thank you. Ah. Ah. Are you guys saying this because of the last stream where I was concerned about whether or not a male VTuber model is good or bad for the channel? Hi, Neo. Hello, Sharkbeard7. I need another 5-minute break. I need a mental break. Finally get to be here. Welcome. I'm sure you're very, very busy in real life. That's fine. I'll just be streaming. Looking good, Morty. Thank you. Okay. I don't know. I just feel like I expended my mental energy thinking through this whole thing. But now it's much clearer in my head, which is good. Which is good because when we actually write this, it'll be a lot clearer as to what we're trying to do here. Like the glasses, heart, thank you. The ones I'm wearing actually aren't black. They have clear frames because I felt like it would help with the eye tracking a bit more. But yeah, these are the ones I usually wear outside. The ones I usually wear outside actually have black frames, but then these ones are clear frames because they're like my close-up computer glasses for the thing. For the whole challenging my vision and not making my myopia worse, and hopefully making my myopia better thing I'm trying to do, so that I can look at a computer screen in front of my face without wearing glasses. Slash through the mental fog. Yeah, I just need to... Here, 5 minutes. 5 minutes? 5-minute timer. 5-minute timer. And then I'll get to work. And by get to work... this enemy layouts thing seems a bit more... Well, I did say I was going to do it first, so... Might as well, right? And it's pretty straightforward, actually. I think about it. What do you do on break? On this break? On this like 5-minute break I'm doing? The idea was that when I'm trying to work, I just don't look at chat, and then when I'm on break, on the Pomodoro break, then I look at chat. But I tend to be pretty loose with my usage of the Pomodoro timing, because this kind of work, this kind of knowledge work, greatly benefits from staying focused on one thing for a long time, and is very bad to like context switch. Oh, so I try to, sorry, stop apologizing. God damn it, why are all my viewers apologizing? Is this the whole chat reflects a streamer thing? Am I that kind of person to apologize when I've done nothing wrong? Ah. Perhaps. I say it no matter what. Oh no. Oh no. Be more confident. Be more of an asshole. Be less of a terrified, timid wallflower. At least that's what I'm trying to do. I reflect no one. I am my own person. I am a true hero. I am the knight. I am justice. You know, I like doing that. I probably don't do that much is like massaging my temples, because sometimes like it feels nice. It feels nice. What's Pomodoro? Not much. How about you? It's Italian for tomato. So this technique, relax your jaw. Oh, good point. Yeah, yeah. Massaging my jaw too is something I remember watching like videos on like stretches and stuff for singing. Anyway, Pomodoro, Italian for tomato, is named that because some dude came up with this system where you work for 25 minutes and then you take a 5-minute break, and then you work for 25 minutes and you take a 5-minute break, and it's good for staying focused on tasks. And I use it sometimes when I need to get shit done, like now, like when I have a deadline for a game jam project that I'm working on. And yeah. Anyway, I remember seeing this video of like stretches and stuff for like yoga, for singing. It was being done by like a pregnant woman, but one of the things she did was like massage the jaw with like your knuckles. And I noticed my jaw is like really tense sometimes. Actually, it's been kind of tense for like my entire life, I feel. I feel like I've been unintentionally mewing my entire life. I've been mewing, I've been looks maxing, I've been edging, no. I've been tensing my jaw for a very long time. Sometimes I wake up and my jaw is super tense, and you know, yeah. Showering. Showering, yeah. I showered this morning. One reason why stream wasn't. Oh no, did I shower this morning? Wait, did I shower this morning? No, wait, I didn't shower this morning. What am I saying? What am I thinking? I'm losing my mind. He's mastered the autonomous mew. It's automatic. I can't stop it. By which I mean my jaw is very tense and it's probably bad for me. Bad for singing too. Actually, even like my throat, I notice sometimes it's like super tense. Stretching. I'm cracking my neck. I'm gonna accidentally kill myself doing some kind of chiropractic maneuver on stream. And breaking my neck, but it feels good. Well, I've been like popping my back for a really long time. Anyway, it's been 5 minutes. I should do the thing. It's time. Do a thing. Okay, bye chat. For real this time. I'm not looking at chat at all. I'm putting the countdown timer specifically in the place where it overlaps the chat and I can't see the chat. Okay, here we go. Here I go. Wave slash rounds. So in game state, add var round number is an int. It's a nice round number. Okay. Var wins int. I also need to define like the wins needed to win somewhere. Wins needed to. I guess that would be under. I could put that under enemy layout, right? Enemy layouts. Has round layouts. Has. Wins needed is an int. So we'll load that from the enemy layouts. Do that in like on ready on thing on I guess it's in team manager. I guess it doesn't really matter where I put it. Outside of it being good or bad for whatever. Okay. And so is everything clear for me? Where'd my Obsidian window go? Did I actually close my Obsidian window somehow? My notes. All right, there's my notes. It's an array of enemy team. Enemy team is just an array of character definition. I'm probably gonna add like team items and stuff later. Maybe I'll start with the player state UI round number thing. So the UI round number as well. And then the win screen on 10 wins. I'll just put that at the end of this list because it's like the last thing we want to do here, right? Might have to use the bathroom. This is my stream. This is my work stream. This is for me. This is for me to get shit done. But whatever. Player state UI. I'm gonna need to add icons and stuff eventually, but I'm not gonna worry too much about it. Would it look better if these were separated? I'm not gonna worry about it right now though. Add the separator. Add the separator. This is now money. This is not money. This is wins. Actually, I could just copy the Super Auto Pets layout because I think it's Super Auto Pets is money, lives, wins, and then round number. Wins icon, wins label, and then round icon, round label. Again, I haven't really played Super Auto Pets, but just doing the thing. Quick load. What even are these images? Here in my assets. Well, I made the coin, so these are just gonna be placeholders, but a bit odd to have wins as that when it looks like a currency thing. But here, wins and then round number is Pippa Stick fan. We did get the actual FIFA sprite art from Cyclocust, so thank you again, Cyclocust. That's should be everything we need for now. Wins label, round label. Okay. Here we can just do onReadyVar. Wins label is a label equals percent wins label. Blush. Why is my... Okay, that's a blush. That's the... Which one's the question mark? That's a question mark. Okay. onReadyVar, wins label. This is round label is label equals percent round label. And then just do the same thing, add some signals for these. Round number. This needs colon. And then round number changed. This becomes round number changed. And do the same thing for here. Set value. Wins equals value. Wins changed. Emit value. Wins changed. There we go. Once again, activating my toggles inadvertently. Which one was it? 5%. It's the percent sign. Okay. Okay. Game state. Wins changed. Connect. Update. Wins label. Just copy these and for the other thing. Okay. Update. No. Update wins label. Wins label text. And then update. Round label. Round label text equals value. Okay. Wins changed. Round number changed. Update round label. And then also call these update wins label with the wins. Update round label with the round number. Okay, now these should just say 0, I guess. There we go. 5 things. 5 0 metals, we'll call them metals, and then round number is that. Well, I'll draw icons for it later. Okay. Okay. Now in team manager? Team manager, shop manager, comment manager. How about at the end of combat? Let's see. Comment zombie result. If result is combat summary combat result dot win, then game state dot wins plus equals 1, and then always game state. Oh no, wait, this is a local variable to the thing. Hold up. Here, let's just move this. Let's move this out. Our result is a comment summary combat result. And we just set this here because we're going to access it here. And then game state dot out number plus equals 1. And then team manager ready. I mean, I guess this could go anywhere, I guess. I guess this could go. Because this is gonna store the thing. And also probably, yeah, var wins needed. What did I name that? Yeah, wins needed in enemy layout. Okay. store this too. Also add the stuff. Set value, when's needed changed. Yep, just so this all gets synced up from the UI. Okay, combat manager, round number plus equals 1, and then we can check when's needed, compare against there here. So if game state dot wins is going to equal to game state wins needed, to do show win screen, and then eventually it'll have like stats and stuff. Nice. Also, I'll have to add a setting for the debug menu because that's cheating. That's cheats. Okay. What else? Oh, right. In the UI, where is it? Player state UI. I actually want this to be something like 0 out of 10 or something. So update wins label becomes percent, yeah. So percent %s out percent %s, percent array wins out of game state dot wins needed. And then, yeah, game state dot wins needed changed. Connect update wins label as well. Okay. Now wins needed should be 0. We should lose. We should show the lose screen. Retry. Okay. If we win, if we get the wins needed, which right now is 0. Oh, never mind. We're too weak. Level up. Oh, whoops. Level up. Out of bounds. Uh-oh. You can level up the ability higher than the max level. Why is that? Why is that? Where is it? Level up ability. Where are we actually setting the... yeah. Here in character tooltip. Info is max level ability level. Are we off by 1 here? Level, okay, so level 0 not unlocked. Level 1 ability is unlocked. Level 2 and then level 3. Skill points changed, update level up buttons, ability levels changed, update ability levels. This also needs to update the level up buttons. So yeah, update level up buttons on ability levels changed because that affects the is max level. Or oh wait, hold on. Info level. We need to call it specifically after this. So yeah, call it here. Update level up buttons using character.skill points. Okay. So now give front character XP. Level 2, level 3, we can't upgrade further. Okay, now she's maxed. Now she destroys. And now we win, except we don't have a win screen, so it does nothing. Okay, cool. And I mean, I guess I could just copy the thing. Copy the lose screen, right? And I'm probably going to rename this to result screen then. Make this a result screen. Mm. Mm. I kind of have to use the bathroom soon. Let's see. Let's see. On ready var result label is a label equals result label unique name percent result label. Okay. I need to adjust my things. My toggles. Okay, result label. What am I doing? Add a function. Fuck it. No, don't write a function. Don't write a function. And rename this. Rename this scene. Blue screen to result screen. Rename the blue screen. So we have 2 result screen as well. All right. Now the result screen. Okay, cool. All that updated properly. Cool. In main in combat manager here we do blue screen is a. Also, I need a class name this. Hold on. Result screen. Class name. Result screen. Result screen. Okay. Result screen. Class name result screen. Class name result screen. Has a result label. Don't want to add a function just because it's not necessary. We just call this, okay. Result screen is a result screen. Screen dot result label dot text equals you lose. And then show the same because it's just the same for now. You win. Nice. The only thing differentiating a lose from a win is just the text at the end of the thing. Nice. Okay, testing. Level up the heck out of Hime. Start. Victory. We have 1 out of 0 wins. We didn't set the goddamn result screen. Export var. All right, continue. Here. All right, you lose, retry. We still have 1 win because that didn't get updated. Whatever. Level of human to max. Add test characters. Yeah, max team already wins. Okay, you win. Yay. Okay, and now. Let's see. In ready. Game state dot round number equals. This is round 1, right? And then game state dot wins needed equals. To do get this from a, where is it? What did we write in our notes? from enemy layouts, and then game state dot wins equals 0. I know I put this in team manager as opposed to like anything else, but sure. All right, 0 wins out of 10. We're on round 1. We win the first round. We're on round 2. We got 1 win. We kill this empty team. You lose. You lose. Retry. We're on round 1. Everything's reset. Nice. Okay, I'm liking that. I think we can commit now. Let's commit now. Character prevent leveling beyond max. Abilities beyond max. Okay, there we go. Main add wins and I guess you can put damage on loss is also an int. We can put that in enemy layouts as well. Okay, add wins and add wins, round number, win screen. Nice. We're getting extremely close to having an actual game loop, and I need to use bathroom, and this seems like a good pausing point. Okay. Pause the timer. Bye, chat. Bye. Okay, bye. Pomo. I'm using the bathroom. Okay, BRB. I'm back. I got some hot water, which is nice. Let's throw that shit in the microwave. Doesn't matter either way how it's warmed up. Okay, we've added round numbers. We've added wins. We've added thing. For wins, we have placeholder icons, but not real icons for the wins right now. Can update. Let me update. Update. Team manager to load enemy layouts, create an enemy layouts resource, and then create an enemy team resource. Okay. So actually create the enemy team resource. It's funny I reordered that the main thing. The adding the thing. I reordered that to after, but I ended up doing it first. Okay, create a new script. Extends inherits resource. The script is called enemy team. Although, yeah, I mean, later we can rename it if we want to use it for more than just enemy teams, but yeah, whatever. Okay, enemy team.gg. It's the class name enemy team, and this has var characters. Export var characters is an array of character definition newly added with the stuff to make it do thing. The stuff that makes it do the thing, the initial level and the initial ability levels. I'm gonna need to make it so you can see tooltips on enemies if you want to like see what the enemy team has and plan things out. Okay, whatever. That's it. That's it for enemy team. All right, make a new script. Again, inherits resource. This is called enemy layouts. And I don't know if that's the best name for it, but whatever. Naming things. Class name, enemy layouts. I literally wrote this all down in the notes, so this should be pretty straightforward. Var wins needed is an int. These are export vars. Yep, all these are export vars. Yep. Export var. Damage on loss int. So really these are like sort of defining the difficulty settings. Yeah, this might get turned into like some kind of difficulty setting class, so there will be a different one for every like consecutive difficulty level or something. And then export var round layouts is an array of arrays of enemy teams. Enemy team. Nested type. Are you kidding me? Help. Godot, please. Why? I'll just name it enemy team set. All right, we'll make a enemy team set. Make a new script called enemy team set. This inherits resource as well. And then enemy team set. Export var enemy teams is an array of enemy teams. Okay, great. Also needs a class name. Class name. Enemy team set. Game set. Get PO mode. I'm just gonna ignore the Pomodoro timer. I do have chat open actually. So if you wanna distract me, if you wanna make this 10 times harder for me, no, I do appreciate if you're here, if you wanna chat with me, make me feel a little less alone. I'm feeling a little better on like the pace of getting this done. I think we'll be able to get status effects in the full game loop out for the jam deadline, hopefully. Enjoying lurking? Oh, hello. Villain 150. That's a name. That's a name I haven't seen before. Welcome. Welcome. Yeah, this is chill. I guess this is a chill stream. I guess I might not feel chill right now, but I guess the overall vibe of the stream would be chill if I'm, you know, kind of low energy. But that's because I'm spending my mental energy thinking about how to implement this shit. Oh, but yeah, welcome. I love lurkers. I am a lurker pretty often. I use streams as second monitor content pretty often, so I completely understand if you're using this stream as second monitor content. We love lurkers. We love lurkers. We love Fortnite. Lurk King. I'm the king of lurking. And thanks again for the Sprite Cyclocust. Please let me know if you want to be shouted out on Twitter or itch.io or however you want to be credited there, here, there, everywhere. Because I do feel a little guilty if I post, you know, updates and stuff and it gets attention and then you're the one who made the character sprites. Shout me out on whatever, doesn't have to be anything huge. Okay, cool. I'll just mention your Twitter ad, I guess. We put this in team manager, right? So we have initial enemy team right now. That is going to get replaced. We are killing that. Beating it to death with its replacement is going to be the thing. In team manager here. Okay. Initial player team. All right. And replace enemy team is enemy layouts is now an enemy layouts. Nice. Yay. Uh-oh. Load initial teams. So I should separate this into load player team and then load load enemy team for round or something. Funk. Load enemy team for round. And then round number is an int. Our enemy team to do. And then var I equals 0. It's an int. Okay, slots enemy team I. If I is greater than length of, greater than equal to length? Yeah, greater than equal to length of slots enemy team. Then warning, push warning. Enemy team with more. Characters than max slots. And then return. We get the enemy team. And then load initial teams is going to be what? Load enemy team for round. Also, this is, we're going to have to clear all the slots. Funk. Clear enemy slots. Do clear enemy slots. For slot in, slots enemy team. Slot character, I guess we queue free it. And then slot character equals null. That's fine, right? Yeah, clear enemy slots. The enemy team is gonna be, we're gonna get it from get a new folder, enemy layouts. Create a new resource, it's enemy layouts. Base layouts. A lot. Wait a minute. Did I export? Yeah, I export var dollies, right? Class name enemy layouts. Export when needed. Export damage on loss. Export round layouts. Maybe I need a reload the editor. Okay, there's that. There's what else? What else am I doing? Where was I? Team manager? Okay, in team manager. Load initial teams. I guess we load the enemy team for that. Depends on where we're. Where are we? Game state dot round number. Did we do it in round number changed? Anyway, enemy team is an array of char definitions. We get it from enemy layouts dot round layouts is an array of enemy team sets. Var capped round num equals min of round number and then game state dot. Actually, not that. Min of, yeah. Here, var round index equals min of round number minus 1. Round number starts at, yeah, it starts at 1. Or I guess I could like clamp it. Clamp I. From 0 to min, yeah, min 0 max is length of enemy layouts dot round layouts. All right. This is an enemy teams dot pick random. Is this typed? Should be. Nope, it's not typed. Because enemy teams is a, or because pick random returns from a variant or something. Anyway, typed. Yeah, the type system is a little limited, I think. This is an array of, no, this isn't, this is an array of character definition. Should be, I think. Oh no, it's an enemy team. This is an enemy team. This is, yeah, this is not an array of character definitions. This is an enemy team. It's an enemy team. Yep. Enemy team dot characters. Right. Okay. And I guess I could just do on round number changed. Round number change happens in combat manager here. Or I could just call team manager. Yeah, I should probably just call the function directly. Team manager dot load enemy team for round. Round number is game state dot round number. Okay, cool. I think I need to reload the current project. Reload the current project, and what am I doing? What am I doing? Editing this. All right, there we go. Wins needed. We'll do 10 damage on loss. We'll do, I don't know, 2. I guess I could do like starting health and stuff here too. I mean, might as well. This is getting further and further from it being an enemy layout and more just a general like game settings or difficulty settings. Initial lives. I mean, I could just do like super auto pets, do 5 and 1, right? Just copy values from other games. It's educational. And then team manager, because that's where we're loading this. A number wins needed is enemy layouts dot wins needed. Game state dot player HP is enemy layouts dot initial lives. And damage on loss, we need to use that in combat manager, I think. Yeah. Yeah, these references are getting a little spaghetti. Player HP. Where's HP gain? HP gain is, yeah, this instead of being lose HP damage is going to be team manager. Team manager dot enemy layouts dot damage on loss, but negative. And now we can get rid of, where is it? Lose HP damage. Okay. This is now, yeah, base object type null. All right, understandable. Enemy layouts. Quick load the one existing base layouts. Okay. Need 10 wins. When you lose 1 HP. Initial lives that. Round layouts. Your enemy team set. Set of enemy teams. Make a new enemy team. And then make an array of characters. Here, quick load. Re-A. Quick load re-A. And now it's getting a little tough to see. For round 2, just for good measure. Make a new enemy team. Make a new characters. Quick load. Re-A. This time we'll have you fight 3 re-A's. All right. So if everything is working, this did not work. Cannot call method Q free on a null value. Oh, whoops. All right. If slot character. Oops. All right. Clear enemy slots. Yep. There we go. 2 re-A's. Add our test character. Level up this one. All right. And now 3 re-A's. And now it should repeat. Oops. Out of bounds index 2. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Are we off by 1? Are we up by 1 here? Length of enemy layouts, round layouts, -1. We're off by 1. Of course we're off by 1. Classic. Oh, one of the 2 hard problems in computer science. Or is it 3? Or is it 4? Yes, that makes sense. Okay. let's just make a max level. Yay. All right. Round 2, we win, and then we're fighting the last round over and over again. Nice. It's amazing. It just works. It just works. It just works. And then we have 4 wins, and okay, I think that's it. The system is in place. The system is in place. All that's left is to actually make it do the thing. Time to commit. I'm gonna git commit. Game, add round progression. Oh my god, the system's in place. I might take a break here and then come back tonight probably. Because we're getting extremely close to working on content. But I still need status effects? But we've got the loop. We have the game loop. We just don't have the content yet. So we need status effects, and then we need more content. So that's more characters, more abilities. Should probably test out just to make sure that a character with 2 abilities works. So let's put that in re-yay. Make a new ability definition. Call this test ability 2. That's a level deals 4 damage on cooldown of 3 seconds to a range of 1. And then level 2 deals 4 damage. Cooldown of 3 seconds still. Has range 2 and pierce 1. And then initial levels is 0 for that one. There we go. Bite and testability 2. It's level 0 right now, so technically it's not doing anything. Oh wait. What is my, hold on, there's something off about, oh no, it's the UI ordering shit again. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. I think the enemy character slots are eating up the input. Yeah, they're eating up the input for this. Oh, that's a pain. Alright, well, it's a very slow attack. Ouch. So we'll her up again. 2 skill points. This now has a range of 2. It's now faster. Alright. Nice. Start combat. Nice. Can't really test out the pierce though. But well, it's working. It's doing something. Victory. Anyway, I think the character slots here are eating up the input. The mouse input. It's a little annoying. Oh, man. Mm. Mm. Okay, what else do we want? Actually, ideally, if I can spend the whole next day balancing, then that is going to take a lot of time and effort, isn't it? All right, well, we just added the testability just to test out, but we found out that there are some, again, UI ordering issues. Here, set pickable, select container mouse filter, passive pickable, else ignore. Wait a minute. What? If the enemy slots aren't pickable, then it should be ignore, right? Where do we set the enemy slots to be ignore, right? Is in the main character slots, this character slot script. Enemy slot set pickable false. So it should be ignoring. Then what the heck else is preventing me from clicking on a goddamn button? Oh, God. Wait a minute. Hmm. 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 Huh. Well, I think the Pierce also needs some logic changed. I kind of feel like I just need a nap. I don't know if that's good or bad for the amount of time left on this game jam, because I'm not gonna have a lot of time to balance and add content between the time that I finish the last systems, which is gonna be like status effects, and the deadline. Right, I'm not gonna have a ton of time to add content and balance it and all that, and try to make something interesting. But I guess that's what the post jam deadline is for. That's what the post jam updates are going to be for, right? Applyability for target index and targets. Oh, where do we set the targets? In character, I think. Here. Oh, so much visual logic combined with the actual like gameplay logic. Castability here. Effective range is the ability's range minus our position. So let's see. Testability 2. Pierce is greater than or equal to 0. Well, I is less than effective range. Effective range. So range of 1. Range of 2. 0, 1. You expect it to hit 2 targets, right? Let's just test it. Give it like a 1 damage ability on a short cooldown, 0.5. A range of 2 and a pierce of 1. Just make sure this logic is working right. Give XP by the testability 2. Oh yeah, it does pierce. Oh, okay, it does work. It does work. Okay, whatever. Yeah, I just wanted to verify that. Okay. I think I need a nap. I think coming back with fresh eyes will help out a lot. So that's enemy layouts there, but just not filled out with content. Enemy layouts. Rest is best. Rest is best. Rest it's probably good. Yeah. Given I stayed up a bit late last night working on the freaking tooltip stuff. Okay. Oh, ability level up preview stats. That's more UI work. I should probably get that done now because it's going to be less mentally demanding, I think, compared to anything else. Okay. So the plan was when you mouse over the button, there's still a bit of jank with Actually, can I? Hold on. If I just move the tooltip up, that'd probably fix the issues with it overlapping other character slots, right? Problem is I'm using anchor bottom left, so actually I gotta move this control, give it a position of -80 or something. Let's try that. Oh, whoops, I said visible by default. Okay, there. Hide it. Hide it, okay. There, no more overlapping with character slots. That's the one way to fix it. All right. Maybe -100. Put it above the level thing. Actually move it over a bit more. Not 100, but like 20 pixels. Yeah, so it's right up the SP skill points. Yeah, that's better. Okay. Okay. Totally balanced. Okay, I'm liking that. So let's save. Character adjust tooltip position to prevent overlapping character slots, which eats inputs for some reason, even if not pickable. Even if set to mouse input ignore. That's a little annoying. Okay, there's that. We're gonna add more content later. What's the plan? Maybe I add the characters first and then add the status effects. Nah, it's kind of irrelevant to how we balance out things and adjust numbers because, you know, that's an important part of the process, right? Okay. I do want the preview thing for the ability, not this, ability info here. I'm gonna fucking shoot up something. Okay, last stretch, then I take a nap. I just want to do this thing. 25 minutes. Okay. And this might take longer than 25 minutes to figure out. I should probably use rich text label, right? If I change type to rich text label, Careful, Icarus. It's fine. It's fine. Really fine. Now it needs to be a rich text label. I still don't know how to use these things. I've never used these things. This one specifically doesn't need to be a rich text label. Let's, yeah, change type to back to label. There, name label. It's just a label. Label. Get a brush and put a little table. Okay. Okay. Okay, I'm actually not reading chat now. Here, I want to figure out how this thing. Oh, God. Oh, God. Okay. Whoops. I looked at chat, even though I shouldn't be. Okay. Label. Get a brush and put a little table. Let's change this to a rich text label and see how to do this. Okay. Markup. Okay, I need to actually read docs. I need to read. Godot, rich text label. Rich text label. Different font styles, images, basic formatting. Oh, this is what I need for like icons and stuff too. Yeah. But yeah, this is relevant. Open up here's my window. Here's my browser. All right. Check it out. Doesn't support entangled BB code. Okay, so it's BB code. I have not used BB code before. Let's find out. Color equals green. That's it. It uses BB code and it looks like this. Handling user input safely. I'm not using user input here. This is all my text. Shipping VG. Oh boy, I love regex. Text forming is rarely a heavy task, particularly large rich text labels, such as console logs spanning thousands of lines. Push tag and pop functions. Reference. Okay, I just need color, right? Yeah, I just need color. So it'll be like why is it? Oh, fit content. Okay, BB code enabled, and then damage 1 parentheses color. What's this color thing? Table. Code. Char. Strike through, underline, bold, italic, centered. URL hint image. Laying color. Code or name. Common name with named colors. Which green is good? Something not too annoying to read, but I'll probably do lime green. Yeah. Color equals. Is it color equals? Is it color equals code slash name? Lime green. Something like that. Yeah, like that. Slash color. Maybe you put the whole parentheses thing in there. Yeah, because it's like, here's the upgrade. Slay the Spire just replaces the numbers? Actually, yeah, Slay the Spire just replaces the numbers for like showing the upgraded cards. So maybe I do that, yeah, like mouse over and it's like damage becomes that. Or no, you probably want to be able to compare it. It'll look like this. Something like this, maybe. Ideally, that'd be an arrow icon. I'm not going to worry about it. I'm just going to do dash, angle bracket, something like that. So on mouse over, I want it to look like this. I want to format it like this. Oh, and the other thing I want is when the ability isn't unlocked, so it's level 0, then I want it to look different. I want I want the whole thing to look grayed out. So how do I do that? For like margin container. Oh right, modulate. Yeah, modulate. Oops. But I don't want the button, actually. I don't want the button to have that. But I think I'm going to have to reference these, so... Stats container 1. Stats container 2. Yeah, make these modulate. Hold on. Export var thing. Maybe gray unlocked, something like gray unlocked is an array of controls. And then export var gray color is a color, yeah. Okay. No. So gray unlocked, add the stats container 1, stats container 2, and then I guess the title as well. Yeah, name label. Then gray color equals. I guess day 1 here. Color dot. Is there a gray? Oh, is there like a, yeah, dim gray? Sure. Okay, so gray unlocked, update visual. And also, yeah, I wanted what level up button dot text equals unlock instead of plus. And also this makes it plus. For control, yeah. Here, set func set locked is and then locked bool, and this affects the gray. Yeah, set locked true, and then set locked false. For control in gray unlocked. If locked Control. Where is modulate? Modulate? Just that? Yeah, modulate equals gray color. Else control modulate equals color dot white. Yeah, that's F, right? Okay. Oops. Oh. Whoops, damage label is a thing. Oh no, I changed it to yeah, rich text label. Rich text label, not effect. Rich text label. Okay. Damage label is a rich text label. Get a Russian pool table. Alright. Show thing. Spell 2, give XP. Nice. It works. It's gray. It's great. And then add one more, the level label too. Actually, yeah, and then we could just do the container instead. Yeah. Okay. Testable 2, locked. Give XP. Unlock. Now it's level 1. Now it's level 2. Now it's level 3. Yeah, sure, whatever. That's max. Okay. So now, what's the plan? When you mouse over the level up button, we update this preview level up, and then if preview level up, then we show the thing. If preview level up, yeah. Okay, so it's gonna work. It's gonna look like this: damage label text plus equals arrow %s, but then color equals, let's see, we'll just put green for now, / color %. Well, what button's disabled, then don't do that. Don't preview the next level up. And then var next level, ability level equals. And there's the next level. Next level will be here. Next level equals do if not is max level. If not is max level level. And then next level equals ability def, ability levels of level, not -1. Now, if we are previewing the level up and there's a next level, then next level dot physical damage. All right, let's test this. Give XP. Yeah. Yeah, it works. Make it so when we press the button, then preview level up equals false. So you don't accidentally preview the next level. Although you probably still want to be able to preview the next level even before you get the XP for it. Yeah, nice. Nice. And then if next level physical damage does not equal cur level physical damage, then we do that. Okay. All right, that's damage, and then do a few more things. Change a few more things to rich text labels so you can do the thing. Type will stay the same. Cooldown will change to a rich text label as well. I put a lime green here, but I think green is more readable if it's brighter. Yeah, fit content. Thing. Change the type of this. Change the type of this. Range label to rich text label. Change the type of this. Fit content, yes. I don't know why I need to check that, but apparently I do. Pierce. Change these to rich text label, not effect. Rich text label. Rich text label. And then rich text label. And then change these types, or assign these. Cooldown is this. Range is this. Pierce is this. Copy these, but for the other stats. If next level cooldown, it's not equal cur level cooldown. Cooldown, but for the cooldown label, same thing. Same thing, but for range, and same thing for the pierce. Damage, cooldown, range, pierce. We'll have to add stuff for the UI stuff for the status effects too. Oh, okay, that could get a bit more complicated, but I'll worry about it later. I'll worry about it later. Range, ability range. Okay. Also, this is ability range, not that. Okay. But I think I need to take a nap, and I should take a nap. So I'm gonna do that after we finish this. Text equals next level pierce. And this is the pierce label. Okay, all right. We have our abilities. Give the front character XP. Mouse over the things. That is not correct. Oh wait, we didn't enable BB code. And also this pierce is what happened with the pierce though? BB code enabled. BB code enabled. BB code enabled. Yeah, what happened with pierce though? Oh, pierce label visible if pierce is greater than 0. And then pierce label visible equals next level's pierce is greater than 0. If next level of pierce oh, keep this. Yeah, if it's 0, then yeah, pierce 0, and then you mouse over it shows 0, goes to 1. Okay, makes sense. Okay. Give XP. Cooldown goes to 0.9. Hold on, I think I need to adjust the sizing of this whole thing. Yeah, minimum size probably needs to go up. Try 500. It's a bit big. 450. Cooldown, depending on the number of digits, could get a little awkward. Oh, let's see. Cooldown 1, get XP, 1 to 0.9. Get XP, unlock. 1 goes to 4. Cool. Let's test for pierce. So let's adjust this. Second ability starts with 0 pierce, but a range of 2. Now it goes to 1 pierce. It's also a bit overpowered right now. That's fine. Pierce goes from 0 to 1. It's beautiful. It just works. It just works. Oh, thank God. Thank goodness. Oh, wait, why did that? Oh, whoops. Oh, here. There's a bit of jank with, was it, you click level up, and then it, yeah, stops previewing the next level up, even after the level up. Because you don't subtract the skill points here, we let the logic be done further up in character and stuff. So many layers of indirection. Oh well. Yeah, there's just a bit of jank when you click the level up button, and then we just make it disable the preview level up. So, are there any signals I can use? Mouse entered, mouse exited, resize, focus entered. That is different from mouse, yeah. Is there anything else I can do here? Just to make it slightly less jank. Like, the only jank is that it doesn't preview the next level up, even if you have the skill points to do it. We have a reference to the character or anything? No, because I want to keep those separate as much as possible. But I feel like they're going to need to talk to each other. Oh. Do I just make it preview the level up still? After you press it? Because there's two cases, right? One where you have skill points and one where you don't have skill points. The one where you don't have skill points is a little weird. I guess I could like check every frame to see if we still if the button's disabled. There's not like a disabled changed. Level up button dot disabled. Nope. Theme change, size select, property list changed. Notification. Can I actually detect when a button's disabled gets changed? Style box disabled. Style box used? No, that's different. Base button. Disabled. Set disabled is disabled. I don't want to keep that much state between the two, but to have this behave exactly how I want it to, this needs to talk to the character immediately, because right now we emit the level up button press signal. That signal gets handled in further up, and then we adjust the number of thing, whether or not the button's enabled. And that's annoying. Because then I don't know whether or not to keep the preview level up showing. Because I want it showing as long as you can, you know, you can press the button, right? Oh my God, there's a raid. I'm literally... Thank you, Yatra. Thank you, Curing Kale. I was literally... I was hardcore focusing. That was like 10 minutes ago. Well, I kept to my word of no reading chat except for until like 10 seconds ago, but oh well. Yep, this is in fact a work stream. Gotta go eat dinner, Buffalo. Thank you. Lock in, you got this. Thank you. Oh my god. Okay, yeah. Sorry, I was about to end actually. Once I got this working, but it's not completely working. Okay, so I guess I can. Uh, I hate dealing with this state here. Thing is, I want to access the state from the character. I really don't want to have to couple these two things together. But oh man, gonna grab dinner. Yeah, yeah. I'm actually getting a little hungry. I had lunch and now I'm getting hungry again. So maybe eat dinner, take an early rest so that I'll be ready tomorrow morning for a long day of finishing this up for the jam deadline. I should probably at least export it and see if the export works. But right now, this level up button's a little jank because when you click the level up, it stops previewing the next level up, but it still does that even if you are able to, or you're going to be able to do a thing. So actually, oh wait, no, I have access to preview level up from further up. I should just set that further up if something happens. Okay, go back to where am I? Character, right? Or rather, character tooltip probably. Here in character tooltip, skill points change, update level up buttons. Here and update level up buttons. Here, I made this function specifically to deal with this stuff. And then info dot if info dot preview level up info preview level up bar can level up is a bool equals, so we'll just move this logic over. This is actually reverse. This is can't level up. Or disabled. Yeah, we'll just call it disabled. Okay, so disabled here, if info preview level up equals not disabled. Okay, that works, right? Yeah. Yeah, now I don't have to have my concerns here. It's we're sending what we need down from up top. Okay. Okay. Also, yeah, I think this is gonna be the last Pomodoro. I think this is also gonna be the last thing in the stream. All right, now we can still yeah, it still works. Nice. Oh my god. UI. UI that works. Thing that works. Oh, it just works. Yay. And now Rie has 2 attacks and is fighting very fast. What the? Did that hit the front and back units? That's weird. I'm gonna have to deal with that. I'm gonna have to figure out what's going on there. But yeah. Okay. I think I'm gonna call it there. I think this is doable. Keep playing until we win, because we haven't made the enemies harder or anything. 9 wins, round 10. Round 10, you win. Yay. We did it. That's a game loop. We have the game loop. We have our horribly unbalanced game, but we have a game loop. Okay. Great. I'm gonna commit this. Okay. 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 Preview the level up. Ability info, add level up preview. Oh my god, it works. It works. It works. Okay, I do want to export this and test. Have I been showing the freaking browser window this whole time? Oh my god, you guys didn't even see me looking through the code here. That's hilarious. But anyway, this stream wasn't about the stream. This was about me getting work done. This stream was about me getting work done. Let's see if we can export. Presets add. Web. I need web. Export templates. I need to download and install the export templates because I literally haven't. Man, I haven't exported, I think, since since I reinstalled Windows for freaking Forza Horizon 5 months ago. Oh my god. Can you believe it? Just a week away. So actually, I might set up the itch.io page if the web export works. Right, because I can keep uploading it or updating it anytime, right? Right. And we'll consider this like the tech demo stage. This is the tech demo. Me writing UI code that does stuff. Anyway, I'm downloading the export template. And it is hopefully not messing with my internet. Yeah, my upload's fine. Okay, 4.3 stable template, export template, downloading, it's finishing something, it's doing something. Export templates installed and ready to be used. All right, cool. Export. Web runnable. Canvas resize policy adaptive. I have no idea what else to put here. I'm just going to use the default settings for web. Export. New folder. Phase. Snow autobattler. New folder. Web. Here, save. All right. Moment of truth. I think given like default browser settings, you kind of can't test the things locally, the web builds locally, unless I'm mistaken. Export, face no autobattler, web, HTML. Open an HTML file, failed to fetch. You know what? Why don't I just create the itch.io page? We'll say this is like the tech demo because I'm going to be updating it up until the jam release and then upload a new project. Okay. Phase no auto battler. HTML. This is in development. I don't have payment set up. Do you have to use like just PayPal or hold on? What is this? Okay, I'll worry about that later. This is a free game. Okay, upload a zip file containing your game. There must be an index.html file in the zip. So that is, hold on, learn more. I forgot. I technically I've done this before for Rabbit Hopper, but it's been way too long. It says index.html, but I think by default it's not called index.html. So let's see. I'm just reading off the screen. Godot, itch.io web export. How to export a Godot for game, run on the web in itch.io. Okay. Make sure to rename your .html file to index.html. Okay, good. Just checking. Add to. Here. Face, no, auto battler. Web, just under 10 megs. Upload to itch. Check this file will be played in browser. Make sure shared array buffer support is checked. Okay, that's it. Okay, cool. Go to, yeah, Godot projects, export. Face no auto battler. Face no auto battler web.zip. Just under 10 megs. Oh, okay. Okay. This is this file will be played in the browser. There we go. Embedded page, manually set size, viewport dimensions. That's kind of tiny. Frame options, shared array buffer support on, full screen button on. And yeah. All right. Guess this is a strategy game. Tags. Autobattler. This product contains the output of generative AI. Surprisingly, no, despite me being part of FlaVR. All stuff. Okay. Game community comments. Disability. Draft. Save and view page. Run game. Godot game engine. Oh my god. Here we are. This is the draft page. It's not published yet, but it is in fact here. The game is here. Still in pre-alpha testing. All right, we do in fact have an export. Nice. And it runs in the browser and everything. I am probably going to, yeah, let's edit the viewport dimensions. Should probably be a bit bigger. I hope I can just do 720p. And hopefully that's fine for people. Oh, why do you have 10 lives? Didn't I set that to 5? Wait. Base layout. Initial lives 5. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Game state, player HP equals enemy layouts initial lives. Let me find if we set this anywhere. Oh, shop manager. Oh, in shop manager we have starting HP. Yeah, let's fix that. Get rid of starting HP. We might move starting money to enemy layouts because that's really more of a difficulty game state kind of thing. Okay. There, now I have 5 lives. Okay, cool. Let's save that commit. This has been a lot more small little things than I expected here. Main fix shop setting player HP instead of team manager. Okay. Again, this is all open source technically. There's one asset that's the background that is not there, but if you want to try this out technically, you can build it yourself. from the GitHub, from my GitHub, which I haven't advertised anywhere. I also have the itch.io page is set to draft right now, so it's not public yet. If anyone's interested in testing it out at this point, let me know. It might just be like small user interfacey things that you can help me know about. Okay. What else am I doing? Is that it? I think that's it. I think that is all I'm doing here. Actually, there was one thing. I wanted to put the flavor tag in my itch.io name. So I'm going to do that for my display name. And then update my profile image on itch.io. Just to unify my social medias, everything. Okay, cool. All right, there we go. It's my dashboard. Face no autobattler by Neopolino flavor or something. And all right, I think that's it for this stream. What do I still need? What do I still need to do? Let's see. Kanban, ability level up, preview stats, done. That's done. The UI is done. It works. It does the thing. More characters' abilities, empty layout. So that's all content stuff, and then stats effects, and then maybe a few more ability things. Okay, but we have all the framework in place for, I think, everything we want to have. So I think if I just, take an early rest today, get up early in the morning for a long day of a bit more coding and a bit more making content, we should have everything we need for the Game Jam release. Good work. Thank you. Thank you. This was an experience. Close the notes. Close the timer. Thank you for the raids, by the way. Thank you, Yatra. Thank you, Kiringale. Time for the parasocial name reading. And thank you, lurkers, too. Thank you, Exolial. Thank you, Shrekbeard7. Thank you, Brillin150. Thank you, Yatra. Thank you, Kiringale. I should probably thank the follows on Twitch. Thank you, Kiringale. Thank you, Brillin, for the follows. What else are we doing? I'm reading people's names. Thank you, Bapper McBapper. Thank you, JPZ. Later, thank you for the stream. Thank you. And thank you for the art. Thank you for the art. The world will see your character sprites in a bit. By the deadline tomorrow, hopefully. Thank you, Bapper McBapper for JPZ. Thank you, Bren V. Thank you, Xeno Goku. Thank you, Felix Valenti. Thank you, CH Riss. Karis. Thank you, Cyclocist. Thank you, Soren Sorrel. Thank you, Chica Champon. Thank you, Eduardo Rocha. Thank you, Islaf. Thank you, Pom Pom. Thank you, Magisk. And thank you, the Amanda Splats. 07. Who are we rating? Here, set up the Twitch raid. Who am I following? Who's live? I don't even know who to raid. Here, Manny Major's playing Pump It Up. Let's raid him on Twitch. Okay, we're raiding Manny Major on Twitch. We can do a fake raid on YouTube, I guess. I guess so. As always. Take a champ on. Wait. He was here earlier. And he's live. Okay, we're fake raiding on YouTube onto take a champ on. It's really funny that this stream of all streams gets more views. Okay, I need to stop obsessing about the numbers. Here's your unofficial raid on YouTube. Click the link if you want. And our actual raid on Twitch to Manny Major. All right, thank you everyone. Bye, kon-neo. Bye-bye. I'm gonna remember to click the raid button on Twitch before I actually end stream right now. Bye. And bye, YouTube. All right. Just once this Twitch raid goes through, kon-neo. Otsu. All right. Bye. Good night. Good evening. Good afternoon. Something. All right. Ochu. Bye.